Gusto ko lang po basahin yung last part, no, last paragraph of this exist letter, last hearing. I deeply value the opportunity to engage in the important work being discussed at the hearing. And it is unfortunate that my previous commitments will prevent my participation. Tapos po sabi niya po, rest assured that I remain fully committed to the issues being addressed as I am giving utmost respect to the committee and the entire lower house. Yan po, but today, once again, he is not present. And question of his statement giving utmost respect to our committee and the entire lower house. But today he is once again absent. And question respect for the record, Mayor Dulor did not send an excuse letter, and that is an insult to this committee and to the lower house. Why? Because he only sent a medical certificate without an attachment signed by him. And that is not acceptable in this committee. Pasensya na po. Let it be on record that this is a last warning for your mayor. Sabi ko na po kanina, if this, in today's hearing, substantial na po ang mga facts and data, testimonies of all the resource persons present. Sabi ko nga, sana po ito na lang po ang last hearing dito. Because today we will focus on the second subject matter, yung sa basketball court po. Admin, Municipal Admin, please